you know, yeah, he really likes apple. So that's kind of what I do with my day.
Your love, I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
Good morning, lovelies. Welcome back. It is a Monday morning and we are ready for whatever the week has for us. It was a really productive weekend. I'm lying. Well, let me not say that, because I did get some things done. I got some editing done. You're gonna see this video that just came out on Monday. I'm really trying to push it to the next level. Let me tell you something. It's strange. In my real regular speech with people, I don't say that much. But in the last video, if you haven't watched it already, please go back and you could count how many times I said I think it's a nervous thing, to be honest. I think it's a nervous thing. I think it's just because right now I know I'm just talking to, so it's weird. It's like I know I say like a lot. I know I say super excited. That is something that I just say in my regular speech, but is not one of those. So I'm working on it. And like I said, I think it's just because I know I'm just kind of talking to the abyss of YouTube world until we actually get like a bunch of followers and subscribers and stuff like that are going to be able to comment below and kind of engage with us. I'm just in my head. And last week, that is what my goal was. My goal was to be consistent. So you've been seeing a bunch of videos from us. My goal for this week now is to get out of my head. So how often are you, excuse Kellan, he is playing his game and learning the alphabet. A, yes, A is for apple. So how many times do you get in your head? You may meet a man that you're like, oh, I like this guy. He's really interesting. And you know you're interesting. You know what you're bringing to the table. Yet when you speak to him, you're just like lost. You're so confused. You don't know what to say. You're like, this is just, I feel like a complete idiot because I cannot compare to him. But that's just you getting in your head. That's you kind of blocking the goodness of you coming out. So the same thing with this. I feel like I am blocking the goodness of me by just saying because I'm in my head thinking about what am I going to say next? How is it going to come off? Am I going to offend anyone? Am I going to make a corny joke that not everyone's gonna understand? But at the end of the day, I am me. You like it, you love it, or you don't. And then you just click to the next video, the video that has more Kellan, the more Daniel, or you just kind of click off our channel. And that's okay. That's, you know, there are many YouTubers out there that you can kind of find you, but I'm going to get out of my head and just be me. Like I said, if you like it, you love it, can't get enough of it, you just keep coming back, right? But that is just my motivation this week, my challenge this week. My focus is to just be me. And like I said, I'm a little witty, a little corny. Mix that all up with some Disney loving fun and a wife, a mom, a nurse. Mix that all up and you have me. That's it. So again, continue on this journey with us. It's a Monday morning. I've been doing laundry for I feel like I've been doing laundry for, I started laundry yesterday, but I felt like I was doing laundry like all day. And my least favorite part of laundry is folding laundry. Okay, I'll wash it, you know, sorting it. We have a big dumpster from the Basket Lady. If you go to that website, it's pretty expensive for me for a hamper. It was $125. I think it was $150, but it has 3 compartments. So we just kind of know white, blacks, and then colors, and we kind of separate that. And they come in little bags. You can take it out the hamper and bring it downstairs. So it was sorted, but the hamper kind of exploded. So there was clothes on the floor. There was clothes kind of squeezed in. So I kind of had to resort yesterday. So resorting, washing, all that stuff is done. Now to fold it, I'm like, can I hire somebody to just come and fold my clothes? It's, man, I'll put it on a hanger, but folding it and then, oh, the next thing is putting it away. Last week I washed his clothes and I folded it and it was in a basket at the top of the stairs for at least 3 days. That's just the real. So yeah, again, that's what this channel's about. It's just me being a real mom, me being a real wife, me being a real nurse going through burnout, and that's it. That's it. That's the reality. Like I said, on this channel, we try our best to be optimistic, and I am. I'm a very optimistic person. I try my best to see the best in people, but I'm gonna be real and tell you what's not working. I'm gonna tell you real what is going through my emotions, the up and downs of, you know, being a mom in a new city, still during pandemic, you know, levels, and just kind of like building relationships with people that you're like, yeah, we come from here, and this is how I kind of want to raise my kid, and I'm kind of a germaphobe, and yeah, so that's just kind of what we do. But keep going. I'm gonna have a couple of more rewind videos this week. I'm not gonna do like last week. I did like 3 videos. Three rewind videos. We did 3 last week I did about 3 rewind videos on one day because I was just telling you I was busting it. But this week I'm spacing them out, you know, but I have a bunch of videos. I just wanted some of those videos to kind of engage you, get you in, and I hope we're doing that. So I'm going to start breakfast, do the morning routine. Right now he's starting his morning routine with his letters. This game is called Learning Games. It's on in the Apple Store, and he's learning his letters right now. He knows like A through G, but this game is kind of trying to teaching them how to like kind of write it and focus on what words go with what letters. So really cool. I don't give free range with the iPad, but I want him to be more engaged. Let me tell you something about parenting, right? There's gonna be parents that are like, oh, I don't say no to my children. There's gonna be parents that are gonna say, I'm a monastery mom. There's gonna be people that are gonna say, I rule with the iron fist. Whatever it is, that's your parenting style. Yeah, you kind of see our parenting style. I am not gonna say that, oh, I don't discipline him. I discipline him since he was probably about like 10 months old. He was crawling and he understood kind of like, ooh, not to do this. I'm not supposed to touch this. Turn around and like look at you and be like, you see what I'm doing? So for sure, since he was 1, I've been doing this counting thing. So once I get to 5, between like 1 and 2, or like 1 and like 18 months, he was not letting me get to 5. He would be like, once I get to 3, he would stop. I'm getting up to 5 and he's kind of like, wait, she went to 5. What is she gonna do? So I'm kind of, you know, going through the whole like, you're on timeout. I'm gonna take away whatever you were playing with. So that's what I try to do. We were disciplined, but we weren't like beat with a, you know, that just wasn't how it worked in our household. So I kind of want to continue that. Yeah. But I do let him watch his Akili on the iPad, but even with YouTube Kids, they kind of have like range to like pick videos at the bottom. So right now he's been watching these like racing games that are like video games that I guess somebody's playing it and he's recording it. It's kids related because he likes airplanes. He likes airplanes and cars. So it's like, oh, it piques his interest. But I have to really kind of monitor that because he will sit there and watch these little racing video games. But like me, I'm like, I gotta monitor it. Dan's like, I'm a gamer. You know, he has literally like 7 or 8 gaming systems in this house. He's never thrown away any of his gaming systems. So he has all of them. and he plays them, you know. So for him, it's like he's interested to see how he is dynamically watching it and how he kind of wants to watch Dan play. So we're kind of seeing like how he's gonna eventually play. But I'm still kind of wary about the gaming systems. I know. So again, let's start the day. You know, I gotta eat because I'm pretty hungry. And then we're gonna keep being productive. Gonna edit a video, gonna fold some clothes. We gonna get some Anon work done because it's Monday and I'm probably not gonna be working from Wednesday, Thursday, maybe even Friday. Cause I have some friends coming into town and we're gonna go to Disney.
I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all the time. You will always be my inspiration.